Hey fellas, you have Makita battery, the light is on but the charger not accepted. I have the same problem here, and let's open it. Okay, let's check for the problem. This contact, and now it's good. So this one needs new BMS. I have nice new BMSs for the Makita batteries in my shop, so welcome to visit it, buy it, and one BMS costs only €9. And now you can see how to do this repair yourself. The fresh solder will speed up the process. Okay, now we have the silicone here. Not all models have this one. It's only the newer 6 amp because he had a problem when this terminal got broken, and it was really a lot of them. It's a manufacturer fault, so I think they have updated it by putting some silicone here. Okay, so we have the BMS removed, and you can see that this one is a little bit different, but it will fit perfectly, and that's why I love them. I'm getting them directly from China. This one. Don't want to go in place. Okay. And just putting the nickel strips here. Of course, I'm doing the wet thing when I'm the soldering. I'm just moving them and bending them, so that's not making my life easier when assembling it, but and that's how I do it, so maybe you will do it in other way. the light just getting bended this one. Okay, we have this one, we have this one, we have this, and now I need to get this one a little bit. Okay, normally it's easier than this time, but it is like it is. Okay, this one I have bended it too much back, so that's why it's don't want to get perfectly. Into the place. Okay, now I got it. So moving this one again. Okie dokie. This one. Okay, everything seems to be in the places. Screwing the screws in. Okay, now we need to solder it. You can see that the nickel strip got up because I have heated the old solder on it. I will hold this one with my fingers, and okay, this one is in place. Just not seeing it because one of the lights just got in flashing me through the nickel strip. Putting a lot of solder here, of course you can press it like that, and letting it to cool down. Okay, we have same two lights of charge. Okay, let's get the LED lights, and what I need to do here, I need to heat this one a little bit because put the too much solder here, and the BMS now is lifted a little bit. Okay, now I'm just holding it. Sometimes that happens, of course, not very often, but sometimes that just happens. Okay, so we have two lights. Now sometimes we need to trim this little piece here. I can check. Okay, now it's, yep, as you can see, it's now not pressed or hardly pressed. So basically what I'm doing in a case like this, I'm just trimming it. And we are talking about not too much, it's maybe a half millimeter. Okay, we'll try to close it. Okay, closing it, checking, and okay, can see it's not pressing, so what can we do in this case? I'm just heating this one a little bit and pressing it up, and for this case I can see that I have put the BMS wrong. Okay, now it works. So closing it. Okay, and okay, Chris is here. Nicely we have prepared it, so that's all. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up.